Hey guys, what's up? This is Talking Tech for you. We have this week's latest tech news, so let's get into it. Obviously, we have to have had the PS5, it just had to be here. Sony went ahead and finally released the hardware for the PS5. Let's be honest when I say that we already knew how the PS5 was going to look, due to so many leaks. But the real surprise was that we saw two variants of the PS5 being launched. The main model and the second one with the same specs as the main model but without the 4K Blu-ray drive. The pricing has not been revealed yet, but it is going to be soon enough. The Android 11 beta was released by Google for all Pixel phones this week. Like the PS5, this was also leaked into oblivion, but weirdly, Google wanted it to be leaked. So in short, the new changes are basically in the notifications. Every version of Android changes the notifications panel, but this one is specifically good because the notifications are split depending on its function. So like the news notifications will be separate from your texts, making this so good. The new thing in Android 11 are the chat bubbles. This feature is a little weird and I'm not really a fan. You can have these bubbles that go on your screen which you can move about and click on them to enlarge it to see your chats. Media playback controls is the third new thing in Android 11. Now the media playback controls have been moved from the top of the notifications to the very top of the quick settings. I'm not sure if I like these, it's a little more difficult to access, but it does look good. The fourth new thing in Android 11 is screen recording. Like iOS, screen recording has become a default in Android 11 as well. I expected to see this in Android 10, but better late than never, I guess. To keep getting tech news and reviews, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon notification. Let's get back to the video now. After making chips for iPhones and iPads, Apple have finally decided that they're going to do the same for the Mac. Apple are going to announce this officially in WWDC 20, which is their worldwide developer conference, later this month, so as to allow developers enough time to adjust to this change. We have leaks suggesting that the Apple are going to release a new iMac, which seems to look like a giant iPad Pro. The bezels are super small and I cannot wait to see this, it looks super cool. If this does happen, then subscribe so you get to see my iMac review. This week, SpaceX launched another Starlink satellite using the Falcon 9. The launch was successful, and for those who don't know, Starlink is a SpaceX initiative to provide low latency Wi-Fi to more people in different regions. Now let's get into the controversial topic for this week. Microsoft announced that they are going to stop giving facial recognition software to the police. And soon enough, Amazon followed suit and did the exact same thing, until the police passed a few regulations on discrimination. Soon enough, IBM decided they're going to stop facial recognition software development altogether for similar reasons. This can prove to be fatal for the development of facial recognition. That's all the news for this time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get tech news weekly along with another video just for you. But for now, peace.